What happens if you take really hot showers every day? It starts as a harmless habit. You step into the steam to wash away the stress of the day, and for a few minutes, everything feels perfect. But while your mind loves the heat, your body is secretly panicking. If you do this every single day, you're triggering a biological chain reaction that damages your heart, destroys your skin, and can even ruin your fertility. And there is one specific side effect that usually doesn't show up until years later when it is already too late to fix. In the next few minutes, we are going to break down exactly what happens to your body when you take really hot showers every day and the one warning sign you absolutely cannot ignore. Let's look at your skin first. The outer layer of your skin is held together by a waxy, oily substance called sebum. Think of sebum like butter. In cold water, it stays solid and protective. In hot water, it melts away immediately. When you take a hot shower daily, you are effectively stripping this lipid layer faster than your body can replace it. Without this oil, your skin loses its ability to hold moisture. This leads to what dermatologists call winter itch, even in the middle of summer, but it gets worse. Once that barrier is gone, you become vulnerable to bacteria and allergens that your skin would normally block effortlessly. Wait, stop scratching. It is about to get much deeper than just dry skin. When hot water hits your body, your blood vessels perform a process called vasodilation. They widen to release heat. This causes blood to rush to the surface of your skin, which is why you turn red. But it also pulls blood volume away from your central organs and your brain. This inevitably leads to a sudden drop in blood pressure. If you have ever felt lightheaded or dizzy after stepping out of a steaming bathroom, this is why. For a healthy person, the heart has to pump faster to compensate. It is a mini workout you did not ask for, which stresses the cardiovascular system unnecessarily. However, there is a hidden benefit here if you time it right. This rapid cooling after the shower signals your body it is time to sleep. But if you take these showers in the morning, you are literally sedating your body right when you need to be waking up. Wake up, because we need to talk about what the heat is doing to your hair. Healthy hair has a protective layer called the cuticle, which looks like shingles on a roof. Hot water forces these shingles to lift up. When the cuticle is open, your hair becomes porous, frizzy, and incredibly weak. If you are coloring your hair, hot water is the #1 reason your expensive color fades down the drain. Furthermore, just like the skin on your arms, the scalp loses its oils. The body panics and overcompensates by producing more oil. So ironically, hot showers can leave you with a dry, itchy scalp and greasy, oily hair at the same time. Now, for the men listening, this is critical. Testes are located outside the body for a reason. They need to be cooler than your core body temperature to produce sperm efficiently. A study from the University of California found that men who took hot baths or showers frequently had significantly lower sperm counts and motility. The good news is that the study showed that when these men stopped the heat exposure, their counts shot back up by nearly 500% within a few months. So, does this mean you have to take miserable ice baths every day? Absolutely not. You do not need to freeze. You just need to find lukewarm. The rule of thumb is simple. If your mirror is completely fogged up, the water is too hot. Or try the contrast shower. Enjoy your warm water, but for the last 30 seconds, blast the cold. This seals the hair cuticle, locks in moisture, and wakes up your brain. By simply turning that knob down a few degrees, you save your skin barrier, protect your heart, and keep your hair strong. To recap, daily hot showers strip your natural oils, stress your heart, damage your hair, and can even lower fertility. Your body is the most expensive thing you will ever own, so start treating it that way. Hit that subscribe button right now to unlock more science-backed ways to optimize your health, and I will see you in the next one.